How to fix iPhone speaker low sound. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure the volume up button is pressed during media playback. Next, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the sound and haptics option you see there. Further, tap on the haptics option you see there and make sure the always play option is selected. Now, go back and make sure to go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for change with buttons, and also make sure the volume slider is set to its fullest. Next, swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, go ahead and disable Bluetooth for a few minutes and then enable it again later. Make sure that the audio is not playing on another devices such as your AirPods, Apple TV, or speakers. Also, make sure to clean your speakers. So go ahead and inspect the bottom speaker grills and earpieces. And further, use a soft brush or a dry toothbrush to remove dust or lint in it. Also, make sure to avoid liquids inside the speaker. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then launch the settings application again. Here, tap on accessibility and then tap on the audio and visual option you see there under the hearing tab, and make sure the balance slider is set at its center and not on left or right. Also, make sure mono audio is off unless needed, and further make sure that the phone noise cancellation is on or off in order to see the test changes. Now, go ahead and restart your iPhone, as this will fix minor software glitches affecting the audio. And if this does not fix your issue, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Software Update. Further, go ahead and install the latest iOS version, as software updates often fix sound bugs. And in general, again, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. This will not delete any data but will reset the system configurations. And if the issue is still not fixed, then you can go ahead and check hardware of your device, which might be due to possible water damage, drops, or speaker wear. So you can visit the nearest Apple store or authorized repair center for speaker replacement. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone speaker low sound. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.